Get acquainted with the 2020 Chevrolet Camaro. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. The Chevrolet Camaro, the legendary performer that puts you in control with track-focused engineering and thunderous power at your command. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, wheel locks, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel the surge of controlled power and the rush of adrenaline when you rule the road in the Camaro.